Hey, I'm Michael Martin of Gunnerbray Kennels and Dog Training Academy. Today we are introducing the whoa command to a new dog that is in training named Darby. Now all we want the dog to do at this point is to get its 2 front feet on the place board and to remain as still as possible for just a second or two until we release it with a tap on the head. Now we will raise the standard as we go, obviously, but right now we just want the dog to begin to associate that word whoa with being rock steady. If this video has been any help to you, we do hope you subscribe to our channel, and we do thank you for watching.